Number 25. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Resident Evil Co-op online on PC. First, launch Resident Evil. Make sure it supports Co-op, e.g. Resident Evil 5 or 6. Sign in to your Steam account or platform where the game is installed. Ensure both players have the same version of the game. Check your internet connection for stability before starting. From the main menu, select Play Game or Co-op mode. Now, choose Online Co-op from the session options. Here, create a new session or join an existing one hosted by your friend. Make sure the session is set to public or friends. Then, invite your friend through Steam Friends list or in-game invite option. Wait for your friend to accept and join the lobby. After that, adjust the difficulty and settings before launching the game. Lastly, click Start Game and enjoy playing Resident Evil in Co-op mode on PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.